Thank you for your purchase of the Speed Stop from the Kanova Workshop. This installation video will go over all the steps necessary to install the Speed Stop on your Makita router. In your package, you should have received an alcohol prep pad, a tube of CA superglue, and the Speed Stop unit itself. The first step is to take the alcohol prep pad, open it, and use it to clean the side of the router where the Speed Stop unit will attach. Second, use the other side of the alcohol prep pad to clean the back side of the Speed Stop itself, and set aside to dry. While they are drying, take the nozzle off of the glue, remove the red ring, replace the nozzle, and screw down to puncture the seal on the tube. Ensure that it is tight so it does not leak. Once they are dry, apply a small dot of glue on the inside of the Speed Stop. Align the teeth to the notches in the dial, tip down and hold in place until the glue is dry. Once the glue has dried, you've completed the installation. There's nothing left to do. Just need to make sure that the teeth have engaged the notches on the dial and then check operation.